In this video, we will talk about how to train your own AI model, so make sure to watch the full video. Training your own AI model is an exciting journey that combines creativity and technical skill. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, understanding how to create and train a model has become increasingly accessible to individuals and businesses alike. This process begins with defining your model's purpose and goals, gathering and preparing data, and selecting the right algorithms. By setting up an effective development environment, you can train your model through a structured approach, evaluate its performance, and deploy it in real-world applications. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to successfully train your own AI model. 1. Understanding the basics of AI and machine learning. Before diving into training your own AI model, it's essential to grasp the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning, ML. This section will explain the differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, clarifying how they interconnect. We'll discuss various types of machine learning, including supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, and provide insights into the foundational algorithms that power AI systems. Understanding these concepts will equip you with the knowledge necessary to make informed decisions throughout the model training process, setting the stage for successful implementation. 2. Defining your AI model's purpose and goals. Clearly defining the purpose and goals of your AI model is crucial for its success. This section will guide you through the process of identifying specific problems that your model aims to solve or tasks it intends to perform. We will discuss how to set measurable objectives that align with your business or research goals, ensuring that the model's development is focused and effective. Additionally, we will explore the importance of understanding your target audience and their needs, as this information will shape the model's design and functionality. 3. Gathering and preparing your dataset. Data is the backbone of any AI model, and gathering the right dataset is essential for effective training. This section will outline various methods for sourcing data, including public datasets, web scraping, and data collection through surveys. Once the data is gathered, we will discuss the critical steps in data preparation, such as cleaning, normalization, and transformation, to ensure the dataset is ready for training. We'll also cover the importance of data diversity and quality, emphasizing how these factors impact the model's performance and generalization abilities. 4. Choosing the right algorithm for your model. Selecting the appropriate algorithm is a pivotal step in training your AI model, as it directly influences how well the model learns from data. In this section, we will explore various algorithms suited for different tasks, including decision trees, neural networks, support vector machines, and ensemble methods. We'll discuss the strengths and weaknesses of each algorithm and provide guidance on choosing the best one based on your model's objectives and the nature of your dataset. Understanding the underlying principles of these algorithms will empower you to make informed choices that enhance your model's effectiveness. 5. Setting up your development environment. A well-configured development environment is essential for training your AI model efficiently. This section will guide you through the process of setting up the necessary tools and frameworks, including programming languages, like Python, libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn, and integrated development environments, IDEs. We'll discuss how to configure your environment for optimal performance, including utilizing cloud services for scalable computing resources and managing dependencies. A solid setup ensures a smooth training process, enabling you to focus on model development without technical interruptions. 6. Training your AI model. Step-by-step process. Training your AI model involves several systematic steps, each crucial to achieving optimal performance. In this section, we will outline the training process, including splitting your dataset into training, validation, and testing subsets. We'll discuss the importance of feeding the training data into the model, monitoring its performance during training, and employing techniques such as batch processing and learning rate adjustments. Additionally, we'll cover common training techniques, such as data augmentation and regularization, that help enhance the model's accuracy and prevent overfitting. This step-by-step approach will provide you with a clear roadmap to successfully train your model. 7. Evaluating and tuning your model's performance. After training, evaluating your model's performance is essential to ensure it meets your goals. This section will introduce various evaluation metrics, such as accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and AUC ROC, and explain how to interpret these metrics in the context of your specific application. We will discuss techniques for tuning your model, including hyperparameter optimization and cross-validation, to enhance its performance further. By understanding how to assess and refine your model, you can make data-driven decisions that lead to improved outcomes and a better understanding of your model's strengths and weaknesses. 8. Implementing your AI model in real-world applications. Once your model is trained and evaluated, the next step is implementation. This section will cover strategies for deploying your AI model in real-world applications, whether it's integrating it into existing software systems, building a user interface, or deploying it as a web service. We will discuss the challenges associated with deployment, such as ensuring scalability and responsiveness, and how to monitor the model's performance in a live environment. Furthermore, we'll explore best practices for collecting user feedback and making iterative improvements to enhance the model's functionality based on real-world usage. 9. Maintaining and updating your AI model. Maintaining an AI model is an ongoing process that involves regularly monitoring its performance and making updates as necessary. This section will emphasize the importance of keeping your model relevant by retraining it with new data, addressing potential drift, and incorporating user feedback. We'll discuss strategies for conducting periodic assessments, tracking performance metrics over time, and establishing a schedule for updates. By prioritizing model maintenance, you can ensure its continued effectiveness and adaptability to changing conditions and user needs. 10. Exploring advanced techniques for model training. For those looking to deepen their expertise, this section will delve into advanced techniques for AI model training. We will explore concepts such as transfer learning, where knowledge from pre-trained models is applied to new tasks, and reinforcement learning, which focuses on training agents through interaction with their environment. Additionally, we'll discuss ensemble learning methods that combine multiple models to improve performance and reduce errors. By exploring these advanced techniques, you can expand your skill set and develop more sophisticated and powerful AI models that tackle complex challenges. In conclusion, training your own AI model is a rewarding endeavor that empowers you to leverage artificial intelligence for various applications. By understanding the fundamentals, defining clear goals, and gathering quality data, you lay a strong foundation for your project. Choosing the right algorithms, setting up an efficient development environment, and following a systematic training process are crucial steps in achieving optimal performance. Additionally, regularly evaluating and maintaining your model ensures its relevance and effectiveness over time. As you explore advanced techniques, you'll unlock even greater potential, allowing you to create powerful AI solutions that address real-world challenges and drive innovation. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.